It is a great honor and pleasure to introduce this video production on mechanically stabilized backfill technologies. We call this internally supported wall system simply MSB. We have spent much time and many resources on research and demonstration projects in this area. CDOT is now on track to save over $10 million annually by utilizing these MSB technologies. We estimate that over $500 million a year can be saved nationwide as other state transportation agencies implement these innovative solutions. Some of these technologies were developed on the Glenwood Canyon I-70 project, which I managed for 12 years. Under my leadership, we aggressively developed and implemented innovative solutions in many areas. Traditional methods and materials would not have allowed us to construct this award-winning project. Technology does not stand alone. It requires professionals for implementation, problem solving, and continual improvements. We call these specialists subject matter experts. Adoption of new technologies requires support from an enlightened management. We will show you in this video how your agency can both save money and provide better service through internally supported MSB technologies. First, let's look at why agencies are not already implementing these MSB technologies. There must be reasons why we're leaving over hundreds of millions of dollars on the table each year.
There are reasons, and these include the human tendency to resist change, to preserve existing paradigms. Technologies, however, are never static. From the beginning of history, man has pushed the limits of his ability. In transportation, we began on foot. And then we domesticated animals to carry us farther and faster. We continually improved the efficiency of horse-based transportation and reached the apex of that technology with the stagecoach. We drove the horse to its limits of power and speed. Technologies reach conclusions. There are indeed limits on the envelope. Technologies continue to evolve. New methods and materials replace the old. The steam locomotive replaced the horse. However, the stage driver was not automatically a locomotive engineer. This analogy illustrates a paradigm shift. Accepted practice in transportation changed dramatically and forever with the introduction of the steam locomotive. A similar technological evolution is occurring in retaining features. These old workhorses are ready for the stable. Externally supported retaining wall systems are being replaced by internally supported earth-reinforced features. And just as in any major paradigm transition, technologists, subject matter experts, must evolve to advance the new paradigm. Our state DOTs are collectively losing hundreds of millions of dollars each year because they do not have subject matter experts in responsible charge of selection and design of MSB features. State DOT engineers routinely design and supervise construction of these magnificent monuments. Yet few state DOTs can design or support construction of these basic retaining systems. Instead, state DOTs often rely on yesterday's technology or proprietary systems. Here is a cast-in-place wall-on piling that cost over $70 per square face-foot to build. A CTI generic MSB alternative designed in-house would have saved hundreds of thousands of dollars on this project. These kinds of wastes of public funds become less tolerable as state DOTs realize just how simple the CTI MSB technologies are. There is nothing special, nothing difficult in design and construction of the basic CTI MSB system. Facing can be as basic as a concrete block. The typical backfill is road base. Reinforcements can be steel strips, wire mesh, polymer grids or sheets, any durable material. CTI generic MSB features are the future in wall and slope technologies. The sooner our state DOTs develop internal design and construction expertise, the sooner we begin saving money.
CTI can teach MSB technology to transportation agencies and assist in developing subject matter experts. We have internationally recognized instructors in the finest course materials. The course is designed for engineers who have no formal training in advanced soil mechanics. What we ask of the student is a willingness to learn a new technology and a commitment to use it.
CTI will assist you in building the bridge to savings.